I'm gonna show you how to reset your password on BabyPips. To get started, you have to open any browser, then go to babypips.com. From there, you have to sign out your account first if you are logged in, and then once you logged out, you have to click on sign in right here. And then all you have to do is navigate to the password, and then right beside it, click the forget word. And then from this stage, you just have to input your email address and click reset password. And from here, BabyPips will send you an email for resetting your account. And once you open it, you just have to scroll down and click on the reset your password. After you clicked on it, it will redirect you to a page where you need to input a new password. Then after you set a new one, they will email you again for changing your password successfully. So that's how you reset your password on BabyPips.